welcome to our AGC Academy. So today we are going to solve the fourth problem. So what is the fourth problem in exercise 1.1? Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So now first of all we find the what is the reciprocal for minus 5 by 14. So now the solution is reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is, what is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14? So that is nothing but minus 14 by 5. So since you know that, so reciprocal is nothing but inverse. So what is the inverse of A by B? So inverse of A by B is B by A. In the same manner, so here inverse of 5 by 14 is 14 by 5. Now, what is the actual question here? Multiply 2 by 11. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Then the product of multiplication is nothing but product. So the product of 2 by 11 and what is the reciprocal here? Minus 14 by 5. Now if you multiply, the sum is solved. So now 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5. So that is equals to 2 into minus 14 by 11 into 5. So now you can simplify it. So 2 14s are minus 28 by 11 5s are 55. So this is your answer. Now see, the question is, which properties can be used in computing 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. So see, what property is here? Solution is associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Next one, what property here? Next one is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Now, what is the multiplicative inverse of 5? 1 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5? 5. Next, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Next one. Now, we have to add these two. This is nothing but addition closure property or closure property of addition. Closure property of addition, right? So closure property of addition. So by using these properties we can going to compute. Compute in the sense we are going to solve this problem. That's it. This is the solution for this problem. We will go for the next problem. Now see the sixth question. Verify the following. So here LHS and RHS are given. So we need to solve these two sides. One is left hand side, one is right hand side. So first we are going to solve LHS. So first we are going to find the value of LHS, then after value of RHS. If they are equal means it is verified. Now see, LHS, that is 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. This is the left hand side, right? So now plus into minus, that is minus 1 by 2. Next plus into minus, that is minus 3 by 2. Now see, so here LCM for 2 comma 4 is 4. Absolutely 4 is the LCM. So now we can directly do this operation. So 2 to the 4, here 2 to the 4 by overall LCM 4. Next, so 5 minus 2 minus 6. minus 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 8 by 4. So 5 minus 8 we will get the negative number, right? So 5 minus 8 is 3 by 4. Okay. So now what we got, our LHS is minus 3 by 4. Now let us go for the RHS. See now, RHS is that 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Now solve this. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So your denominators are same. So these are like fractions, right? So if the like fractions mean directly add the numerators. So here minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So now that is nothing but 5 by 4 plus minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. So minus 4 by 2 is nothing but here 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what we will get here, I am extending one step here only. So 5 by 4 minus 2. 5 by 4 minus 2. Now how we got minus here? Why? Because plus into minus minus. So now 5 minus 4 to how much? 8. 5 minus 8 by 4. Now 5 minus 8 how much? Minus 3 by 4. This is our RHS. So here LHS and RHS are equal or not? Yes, both are same. So our problem is verified. This is your solution. What is the eighth question? Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. First question. Second question. Minus 32 by 13 from 2. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So I am going to solve the first solution. See here. First problem I am going to solve here. So subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Don't confuse here. So many students will confuse here. Why? Because they will do the subtraction by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. That is wrong. So what we have to do here? So subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So you have to write 1 by 3 first and then after write 3 by 4. It is the right way of writing. It is a proper way of writing. So what I am doing here? I am subtracting 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So now I am going to solve this. See here. Now cross multiply in the butterfly method. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Yes or no? By 4 3s are how much? 12. So 4 1s are 4 minus 9 by 12. So 4 minus 9 negative number, right? So that is minus 5 by 12 is your answer. Clear everyone? So don't confuse here. Okay. Right. Next question is what? Subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. So first you have to write 2. 2 minus 32 by 13. Whatever the number, whatever the fraction given there, you have to write as it is. Next 2 minus into minus plus. So plus 32 by 13. Now 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 32 by 13. Now 26. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. So 58 by 13 is your answer. Okay. Now next solving, I am going to solve the third problem. So third problem also same. Subtract minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So first you have to write minus 4 by 7 and you have to subtract minus 7. So next step, minus 4 by 7 minus of minus. Minus into minus plus 7. So that is nothing but minus 4. 7 7s are 49. So 49 by 7. So that is nothing but, so 49 minus 4 how much? 49 minus 4 is nothing but 45 by 7 is your answer. That's it. This is the solution for the 8th problem. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? So first understand the question, then after you can solve this. So what number should be added to minus 5 by 8? So minus 5 by 8. So what number should be added to get? What number should be added to get minus 3 by 2? So now you have to find this unknown number. Now let us consider number be the x. Let us consider number be the x. So minus 5 by 8 plus, in this blank place I am writing x. X equals to minus 3 by 2. So not only x, you can write anything here. Y, z, any variable. It is a variable, not constant, right? It is a variable. You can write any number here, any variable here, right? Now minus 5 by 8 plus x equals to minus 3 by 2. Send this minus 5 by 8 from LHS side to RHS side. Send this from LHS side to RHS side. It becomes positive, right? Plus. So x equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. This step is clear for everyone? So what I am doing, I am sending minus 5 by 8 from LHS side to RHS side. It becomes plus 5 by 8. So next step, x equals to, now what is the LCM for 2 comma 8? It is 8. So now here what is there? 3 by 2. 2 4s are 8. So minus 12 plus 5 by 8. So x equals to minus 12 plus 8. How much, Amma? What is the answer? Minus 12 plus 5. That is nothing but minus 7 by 8 the value. Minus 7 by 8 is the value. Let us verify this, whether it is correct or not. Verify it. Now see the verification step here. So this is a verification. Now how to verify? So if we add these two, we have to get minus 3 by 2. So minus 5 by 8 plus minus 7 by 8. So we will add these two. What we will get, we will check it. So now minus 5 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Now minus 5 minus 7. How much amount? Minus 12. Minus 12 by 8. So you can cancel this in the 4 table. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. So what is the answer here? Minus 3 by 2. Is this minus 3 by 2 is here or not? Yes. So our answer is absolutely correct answer. What is the 10th question here? Sum of the two rational numbers is 8. If one is minus 5 by 6, find the other. So here solution. Already one rational number is given. What is the one rational number? One rational number is minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. So sum of the two rational numbers is 8. So one rational number is minus 5 by 6. Another rational number is x. Another rational number be the x. Okay, now sum of the two rational numbers already given. So what is the sum of the two rational numbers? 8. So one rational number is given, that is minus 5 by 6, and another unknown rational number is x. So if we solve this, we get the unknown number. X equals to, send this minus 5 by 6 that side, it becomes 8 plus 5 by 6, right? Yes. So now x equals to 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5 by 6. So 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5 how much? So here 8 plus 5 is nothing but, so 53 53 by 6. So what is your answer? X value is 53 by 6. See the 11th question. If subtraction is associative for rational numbers or not, explain with example. What is the associative property for subtraction? So a minus of b minus c equals to a minus b of minus c. So now let us consider a equals to 5 by 2, b equals to 3 by 2 and c equals to 7 by 2, right? So now we will take the LHS from this. Okay, so from this side we can consider as a minus of b minus c is a LHS, is a LHS, left hand side. Now see, so a value how much, 5 by 2 minus b value how much, 3 by 2 minus c value how much, 7 by 2. So you can take any values for the ABC. I consider as 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 7 by 2, your wish. Okay, right. Next step. So here first, according to the BODMAS rule, you have to solve the first bracket part. So that is nothing but 3 minus 7 by 2. 3 minus 7 by 2. Now 5 by 2 minus 3 minus 7 how much? That is minus 4 by 2, right? So now that is nothing but 5 minus into minus plus sum. 5 plus 4 by 2, that is nothing but 9 by 2. What is the answer? 9 by 2. So now we are going to solve the RHS side. What is RHS here? A minus b of minus c. First we are going to solve the bracket part. So that is nothing but a minus b, that is 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 of minus 7 by 2. Now the bracket part going to solve 5 minus 3 by 2. So 5 minus 3 by 2 how much? So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 minus 7 by 2. That is nothing but, so 2 minus 7 by 2. So 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 by 2. Is this LHS equals to RHS? Here this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. So the subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. So see the 12th question. Verify that minus of minus x equals to x for where x value is 2 by 15 and another x value is minus 13 by 17. So first we are going with the first problem. So now first solution. Right. So we will verify this. So what is the given here? X value is 12 by 2 by 15. Now minus of minus x. What is minus x here? That is 2 by 15. So now minus into minus what? Plus. That is nothing but 2 by 15. So is it equals to x or not? Yes, it is equals to x. It is verified. Next one, second problem. So minus of minus x. So that is equals to minus of why I am writing two ofs here? Why? Because here it is also negative, right? So minus 13 by 17. Okay. So here we require two brackets. Now multiply this minus into minus plus of minus 13 by 17. Next step, plus into minus, minus. That is nothing but 13 by 17. Is it equals to minus x or x? It is equals to x. So that is verified. 12th problem is verified by the, so x value is 2 by 15 and another x value is minus 13.